Hello friends, I'm Nico from SIM Cards COIL. Today I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have Golan Telecom SIM card and put it in iPhone to share internet, to create the hotspot working. Usually Golan Telecom SIM cards, when you insert it in Android phone, they start working automatically, and automatically you have an option to share internet with another devices, with friends. But when you put the Golan Telecom SIM card in iPhone, it's something wrong there and it's not start working automatically. So on this video I want to show you how to fix this problem. It's very easy. It's like half minute to fix it. You need to go to settings, need to go to cellular. So you see, when you're on cellular settings, you see the personal hotspot. It's loading, but it's not working. It's not clickable. You can't go there. So how to fix it? Go to cellular data network, and here you need just to type the address on cellular data APN. You need to type internet.golantelecom.net.il. I'm going to copy this, select all, copy, and the same thing we need to do on LTE setup APN, just to paste it here, and we need to add it on personal hotspot, to add it here. So now when we have it on personal hotspot APN, when we have a LTE setup APN, and when we have a cellular data APN, it should start working. Go one back, and couple of seconds, it's now okay. Now it's fine. So just go to personal hotspot, turn on, and now you are ready to connect devices to your iPhone when you use Golan Telecom SIM card. So I hope this video is helpful, and it's all. Thank you for watching. I'm Nico from SIM Cards COIL, and helping you to fix problems on your Israeli prepaid SIM cards.